Hey, my mother family, how una dey? Hope so na dey okay o. Na me be your sister, your babe, your mama, what they call Akan Shower Pro. I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, make you subscribe or turn on the bell icon when you subscribe so that when I drop a blogger news like this, now you go be the first to pick them up. For this channel, we dey react to all videos, and for this channel, most of the time also we dey do our own video. So may you join this big family. Okay, now get one video for you when I want to say may you watch. I don't know how you dey feel about this video, but I want to say may you watch am. May you drop your opinion for me in the comment section. All right, now the video be this. May we watch am and I'll come back. May we talk about am more better. Hello, my correalistic people. How una dey? Now me they call Akan Shower Pro. Una don't know I finish you. And I can still talk and say as the news they come, I go they bring out the call give una. Wetin me they try to dey tell una be say finally this year 2022 Biafra don fly. Honestly, because the kind action where be say the DOS don put into order, nothing dey shele for this time or for this one wey be say we dey so. Una know say Nigeria government don dey play another trick again. Of which thank God for the Biafran leadership where be say they quick blow alarm. Una know say as me and the talk, Nigeria government they announce they give people say they don't they recruit new people they enter Eastern Security Network. Say now make new people come, make they come do interview to enter Eastern Security Network movement or to enter the security force. My people, that one a pure lie o. That one when they talk so now the hard work of DSS now be that. If you try and my people, now sorry be your name. So as you dey listen to my voice right now, as you dey listen to this audio, start to dey share this video so that those our brothers and sisters who are there for Biafra land all over, when busy they don't they cause me they call enter Eastern Security Network, so that they take new people. My wonderful family now lie yo. If you go now you call Sabio, we don't talk one won't talk finish. That one now one. So the new resolution where be say the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra can make the first one. They don't promise Nigeria government say this 2022 go too hot for them. Say they no go take them likely the way they take them 2021 from June to December. Say nothing come out. Say nothing happen. Say His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still remain where he did. My people, now that one I call off me. When they call come out now talk say, he said the kind strong protest where they want display. Say the world go here and say Biafra referendum, they must give dates. Say this one now, say that to matter bomb of protest all over for UK embassy, Kenya embassy, say for even Nigeria embassy for all countries. Say they don't already say now that one they won't do 2020, 2022. He say now to work no stop. So that one I want. The second one they can still talk and say, he can still talk and now say they won't establish some kind department again to join this DOS. He said that department they'll call them educational department. Say now then go they teach people the history of Biafra. Wetin happen during the war. He says so that our children, both the born and unborn, they go know say something like this exists many years ago. Because believe me, a lot of this new generation, they don't know the history of Biafra. So if they talk, the thing could be like film for the this one they talk another one, this one they talk another one. So now it go better say they won't put everybody now from one basket. So they go they teach the history of Biafra for social media, for Nigeria, for all over, and the culture when you follow them. So each Biafra speaking tribe go they make sure that they deal on their own language. They talk about the history, your culture, waiting really lead to this Biafra and during the war and after the war. This one now one of the achievements where be say DOS don't put into consideration for this 2022. In fact, my colonialistic people, the one where be say called shockalize me when I know say it shocked the zoo government when they hear this one be say, he say now, may anybody for Nigeria, schools, secondary school, primary school, KG, pre-nursery, they name them, they go. Say they no want hear that Nigerian national item again for Biafra land. This one a very big blow. This one a mountain where be say is strong well and e no go fit shake no matter how you shake am. DOS don't talk am. IPOP leadership don't talk am. And another thing be say we go still dey pray for strength oh. We go still dey pray for strength for wisdom. We go still dey put this DOS IPOP leadership into our prayers so say may God not let anything happen. Say they can change this thing. Say as God give them this wisdom to carry am out, to talk am, may God complete am for them. May they carry this thing out to this one I be words where we say I bring come, because we know say we will be the followers. If we see they put them for prayers, things go see they go well. So now make me they say may we see they put them for prayers so that all this their plan go work out. Now may we still hear more where they get in stock for 2022. He says so now, owners of school, preparators, principal, teacher, auntie, uncle, say now, una need to dey teach our children the Biafra national item. Because you know, say, as we know they sing the national item like that, even me when I dey talk, I don't forget the national item. I don't even know her. So, it better say, if all these things don't put it into consideration, people when people know they sing the national anthem before, all of them go they open mouth right now, they go they sing them. Yes, so because they don't use that Nigerian national anthem to blind people, to make people understand say they see they under the bondage. So now schools for Nigeria now for Biafra land, they don't cancel Nigerian national anthem. Say now Biafra national anthem now they go they use, make them know what in life they talk. This one when I want to talk say big go. HOD, DOS, IPOP leadership, they don't still come out, they come talk and say, you saw now see this cow when we they eat. This cow when they eat for Biafra land, they say they won't stop them. Because the Funanis, they say without they not break out, come the southeastern part of Nigeria, say na alarm go they chase everybody, say we not go see meat eat, say they not go see food eating. So now they don't place band on cow. Say they don't want to see any cow again. No. Say they call the seller for markets. He said this thing go take action in fact from April 2022. Say no cow. They not go they say any cow for the market again. My realistic people, I know that they talk and so say na my mouth na they hear and so people go say what if they talk not be truth? My people, enter Radio Biafra me you go hear am because now the way I tell hear now I tell bigger come. If you not feel wash am for there, if you not feel listen to them for there, you go listen to them for here. All of them now the same news. So now make me they talk and say then say cow they won't ban them from April 2022. Finally, even for markets, they not go they sell and say if you try them. That one are your own thorough. Waiting make they give the time from that to April. So the ones where you get before, just they said them, they go, or you just start to they eat them now. Because from April, this cow no go get swag again for Biafra land. It doesn't change another one. No. He say that May 30th will be our Heroes Day. When we take they celebrate the Heroes Day, they respect those people when be say they die for the cause of this freedom. He say that May 30th go be in Biafra Independence Day. He said they no call them Heroes Day again. No. He said and that day no protest. He said that day na seminar, workshop, demonstration. Now they go they do the way they do for independence. Now they go they do. May 30th, it not go be Heroes Day, it go be Biafra Independence Day. So they go make sure say they celebrate this May 30th like never before. Hey, the last one when he could conclude be say, he said those people where they go astray. He said grace day. He said the door of grace open. Say may you get you turn, may you come back or join them. He say you when you never know the truth, when you dey lost for ignorant. He say now you get opportunity to come join them. Say if not, if the door close, say they not go open the door again. My correlistic people. Now the news where be say e end the update be this one. No, wetin me go only talk be say may God honor his word. May the will of God be done for this Biafra struggle. Say may God strengthen us so that this Biafra we go get am, because the airfire wey dey inside the Bodo Nigeria not be wetin woman be pikin dey witness. So my wonderful family, as I talk am before, may we keep on dey pray for the DOS. So may we keep on dey pray for Biafrans worldwide. May we keep on dey pray most importantly for His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say may God protect you, may God guide you. Say as he go appear for court this month on 18th of January, hey, say may God let he will be done, because with ourselves alone we not go fit do am now, because the call on Baba God make it cut take it place. All right, my wonderful family, now wetin end the end of this update be this one. Say na me they see they call Anchor Shower Pro when they bring the news, they come as they hot. I beg my correlistic people, if you know say they follow us and you never subscribe, you never join this family, I beg wait till you they wait. Click on that red subscribe button when it says subscribe, and make you turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Now so it just be. Bye.